Manhattan is renowned for its tall skyscrapers and expensive real estate. In this video, we find out how an abandoned mechanical room and a shipping container were transformed into a funky penthouse on the rooftop of a Manhattan skyscraper overlooking the Empire State Building. This funky penthouse is a brainchild of New York-based award-winning architectural firm Loft Studio. The main living area of the penthouse was transformed from an abandoned mechanical room topped off by a bedroom loft created from a 20-foot reefer container. The walls of the 20-foot container are partially peeled off to create an adjoining outdoor patio to the bedroom loft. The entire penthouse sits atop a Nomad roof with awe-inspiring views of the Empire State Building. By using a reefer container, the interior of the compact bedroom loft was efficiently insulated and climate controlled. Refrigerators and newspaper dispensers pierce the main wall have been closed off on the outside, and the exposed grid of bolts compresses an insulation layer between the corrugated metal siding on the outside of the existing wall. A big bay window wedged into the south wall of the living space is made from the back portion of the reefer container. A recessed main entrance door opens into a front lobby with a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The lobby is spacious and well lit to accommodate a small home office. The full glazing to the small office provide ample daylighting and unrestricted access to the outdoor deck, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. A portable bookstand and a steel fire escape ladder next to the office desk serves as a space divider between the lobby and the open-plan living space. The lobby ushers you into a bright and airy open-plan living with a big custom wooden dining table that occupies the center of the living room. The dining table is big, ideal for family dining or group meetings. Next to the dining is a compact modern kitchen space fitted with stainless steel appliances, portable stainless steel counters, modern kitchen backsplash with enough storage cabinets. To the south of the penthouse is an elevated lounge space. The lounge space accommodates comfortable lounge seats, a coffee table, a flat-screen TV on a small stand, and a custom bookshelf in one of the former newspaper dispensers. The lounge is well lit with clear-story windows and a big skylight with a large bay window placed into the building's south wall. The skylight creates a double height effect within the living room that allows for ambient daylighting and natural ventilation. A pocket sliding door opens into the master bedroom. The cozy master bedroom is big enough to accommodate a double bed and adequate wardrobe space with additional storage under the bed. The entire bedroom is painted white to create a bright modern space. Next to the bed is a lavish bathroom with fully tiled bathroom walls and a custom vanity counter. There is a bespoke corner bathtub and a toilet as a bathroom mirror. The open concept living space is comprised of industrial style finishes with exposed concrete walls, exposed pipework, and steel beams. The living room has cleverly designed built-ins which were created from the leftover openings for refrigerators and newspaper dispensers to accommodate inbuilt shelving for a radio system, an inbuilt TV stand, and storage shelves, plus an elegant bookshelf. The other interior walls are painted white to create a spacious living room which is also well lit. The entire floor of the living space is meticulously lined with marble tiles, creating a sleek floor finish. The home office and the lounge spaces are fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass doors which open wide onto expansive roof decks on the north and south elevations. An internal steel fire escape ladder from the living room connects to the bedroom loft. In order to make the upstairs loft space efficient as the lower level, the acclaimed designers converted the bed space into a multi-functional loft area. The bed moves on tracks in and out of the closet to allow for sleeping as well as lounging whenever appropriate. A glass door elevation from the bedroom loft opens onto a large rooftop deck that offers a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the Manhattan skyline on a good warm evening. The penthouse exudes industrial-style finishes both inside and out, surrounded by a lush wraparound terrace overlooking the Empire State Building. The exterior of the penthouse is painted in dark colors to recede into the background among the towering buildings. We love the quality workmanship and the extensive use of industrial finishes against a backdrop of well-crafted modern interior space to celebrate the industrial vibe of this funky penthouse. Which part of this rooftop penthouse appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.